Do you remember those times when you took certain decisions of your life and those decisions turn out to be not so good, not in your favor, or negative for that matter, or disastrous? Now, can you go back in those times in your mind and try to remember, were you in a peak state of mind? Were you in that positive or happy state of mind while you were making or taking those decisions? What was your state of mind? Can you remember? There is high chance that you were in the lower emotional state when you took those decisions. Now the problem is, most of the time we are operating from the lower state of mind and we are taking actions from that desperation place in order to get something, in order to achieve something, and then we think that we will become happy, we will become peaceful, we will be relaxed and blah blah blah. Now try this instead. Take inspired actions from the state of happiness, from the state of positivity, from the state of passion, generosity, abundance feeling, from the state of gratitude. And when you are making or taking any decision, check how are you feeling in that moment. Choose forward-looking thoughts, positive thoughts which are serving you, which will help you to achieve that state of mind. Because unless you decide to be happy, unless you decide to be in that resourceful states of mind, unless you decide to achieve that peak state and work on your emotional states, you are really not going to achieve anything desirable or that you want to achieve or do in your life. And the results will continue to be the same that you have been getting until now. So from this moment onwards, care about how you're feeling and always check your thoughts, check your state of mind at least before taking any big decisions in your life. Bye-bye.